Hi everyone!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today, what are we making?
Vanilla cupcakes with Nutella in it.
Yes, Nutella! Yummy! There is a little bit of technique that needs to go into this because we have to put like a layer down of cupcake batter, and then we've got to bake it and then put Nutella on top so it doesn't sink all the way to the bottom. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Jared, would you kindly get the step ladder and get us the baking tins from up there? Okay, so we're putting 2.5 cups of flour in here. Then I need a sugar shady.
Sugar.
Yeah. Then we're going to take 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Find it. No. Okay, then I need salt. Okay, then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon salt. And then we're gonna use 2 cups of sugar. Thank you, Jared. So, next we're gonna go in with eggs in a separate bowl. We're gonna do 2 eggs. Then we're gonna do vanilla essence. So I'm gonna do 1.5 cupfuls. This should be about 7 mils, but I think you only need 1 teaspoon. Okay, we just like extra vanilla essence, don't you?
Because the better, the more vanilla essence, the more it'll taste nice, but not too much.
Only a little. Okay, so then we are going to put in 1/2 a cup of oil. We're just eyeballing it at this point. 1/2 a cup of oil. Okay, I'm gonna need a whisk just now, so you need to finish whisking. And then I'm also gonna put in 1 cup of milk. Almost in water. 1 cup of milk. Okay, so we're going to whisk all of this together. As you guys can see, we are going to whisk it in. So I'm going to need you to pour this in for me.
Okay.
2 hands, 2 hands.
Yep.
Okay, pour it in. Keep pouring. Keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring.
Just so you can
Pour the whole thing. Thank you. Somebody go press the buzzer.
That's some big cake.
It is. It's some elbow grease. Okay, so then we're gonna put 1/2 cup of water. I like doing this with a whisk as opposed to like folding it in with a wooden spoon, because a whisk helps just mix it all together better.
Because the wooden spoon doesn't have in between stuff.
Okay, so now that is nicely combined, we just have a ladle here that's gonna help us put the mixture into the cupcake bowls, or cupcake tins rather. Thank you. First things first, we need to spray these with spray and cook. Please don't make a mess.
Don't worry.
KJ is gonna do the other row. Okay?
Short bamboo.
So only fill it just a little bit.
Because we
Can you
only
see?
need to put the Nutella.
Yes.
Yippee.
Okay, hold.
Hold like this, right?
Okay, stop. Yeah, so you need to hold it properly.
So delicious. I'm ready to bake. Okay,
This ladle is heavy, eh? Hold it with your hands.
Okay. We still have a lot of candles, but that is for this batch and for the rest of it. I want to open this.
We're gonna put this in for 5 minutes.
Bum, bum, bum.
If you're doing this at home, you should.
You should only put a little bit, not too much.
Okay, who's gonna help me put these other ones in the oven?
These ones.
These ones. Okay, by your time.
Whoa, these rose so much. Look at that. This is a mini cake. A mini cake.
Okay, don't get burnt. It's still very hot.
From the cake spills by accident.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some Nutella.
And we're only going to put it in the center right there. Oh, whoa, it's like, it's so jelly-like because thingamabobber. It's not done cooking. So you have to put it back, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's going to like go. It's sinking in. That is so
Fine,
cool.
but it's not gonna sink to the bottom because it's a little cooked.
It's cooked at the bottom.
That's
not fully
cool. It looks so satisfying just watching it sink. Whoa.
Okay, you guys are gonna do 2 each at the bottom here. I'm just gonna do these ones.
Whoa. Yay. I like it how if you make the cupcake with the Nutella inside, it actually like forms a little center for it. Like how Tinkies work.
So if you make one in Minecraft and then you say /clear Nutella, then there'll be a hole in the cupcake.
Okay, hold on now.
Yippee.
Scoop this up.
What? This? Like,
Yeah, in the center. We're going to top these with more batter.
Oops. Yay! More mini cupcakes.
We're gonna pull it up to the top, the tippy top.
On the mountain top.
I love Nutella. So yummy.
Nutella is yummy. Do you guys mind if I do this because this batter is heavy?
I mean, no. Because if you say, do I mind? No, I don't mind. But if I say yes, then I do mind. It's complicated English.
Okay. Base for the other one. Yes. You guys need to be far away.
Okay, bye-bye, Candy.
No, man. Just close to me. Okay. Now that is done,
Oh no, the
it's time to get back to Nutellaing these ones. Nutella in the center. Nutella in the center.
It looks like the mini pie.
Oh, yes, the pie crust thing.
No, you know those.
Okay, so this one's done. We're just waiting for the ones in the oven to be done. Then we're gonna put these in, and then we're gonna be back with a taste test.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Very crunchy on the outside. Very nice on the inside. It's like a mixture of dry and wet, but it doesn't make sense.
Really
not supposed
crunchy
to.
and moist.
Oh, it's great. I give it 2 thumbs up. And if I have to rate it, I'll give it a rating of, if it was a rating of 1 to 10, I would give it 10.
So yeah, you guys, that is it for our cupcake recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay all day every day with and without makeup, and we'll chat to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.